Hey folks, James from Bomber here with another feature video, and today I'm excited to be talking about our newest feature, thumbnail images. So, let's get started, shall we? So the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the Bomber dropdown, hit settings, and from here we can take a look at our brand new thumbnail setting. In newer versions of Bomber, this comes right in the box. Older versions will have to add it. The next thing we'll check is the grid and snaps button. In this case, we do not want the layout grid to be in our thumbnail images, so we deactivate that before exporting. So once again, we go to the Bomber dropdown, go to Export, we verify that the general thumbnail property is included in the bill of materials, and then hit OK. And now we watch the magic happen. I will admit, ever since we've implemented this feature in testing, every time I've had to export a bill of materials, I've just absolutely loved this process. Now Fusion 360 is taking all the different images for all the parts that are going to go into our bill of materials. And just like that, we're done. So let's give bill of materials a name, and then we open it. And as you can see here, we have this thumbnail column, and all of our parts have corresponding thumbnail images. As always, I'll be including a link to our helpful guide in the description down below, but as for this video, that's all I have for now, folks. As always, have an awesome day.